Hello, today I'm in ClassDojo to talk to you about sharing a screencast that you've created for your learners. So I have two ways for you to share screencasts with learners in ClassDojo. The first is by placing it in Drive and then just simply sharing the link. This way you can create the anyone with the link, copy that, and you can either share it to a class story just by simply pasting that in and giving some explanation so that both parents and learners can access that. Or you can put it inside of the portfolio in an activity where learners have to watch the video, read the instructions, and then access that tutorial. That's the most streamlined way, but maybe not the most visually appealing or engaging way. I think a second way that you can do this is by doing what a lot of you have done in creating a set of slides for your agenda, and then go ahead and use the Insert Video option. Again, this video's already been placed on Google Drive. I'm going to go ahead and select this screencast and embed that directly inside the set of slides. Place it however I like so that it looks really nice and is easily accessible here, directly in line with the rest of the instruction for today. And now I'm going to take this set of slides and I will again come over to ClassDojo, place that in the class story where I have all my expectations for the day, instructions for parents and learners, as well as being able to make it accessible here through the activity like I just showed. So those are two ways that you can place content such as screencasts, movies, audio recordings, and video recordings that you've created in QuickTime into ClassDojo. As always, I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and thanks for watching.